efficiency and integrity. Commit ourselves as new members to support the Alumni Association of our school and be actively involved in its programs and activities to achieve its vision and mission. Preserve the dignity and rich heritage of the land. Live up to the better hopes and expectations of our countrymen and divine Creator.
You may take your seat.